Hey guys, welcome to my channel Top Flight Classes. So in this video we'll cover question number 4 of exercise 1.2. Question number 4 says given that HCF 306657 is equal to 9, find LCM 306 and 657. So now to do this question we basically require the formula that the product of two numbers is equal to the product of their LCM and HCF. HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers. So now HCF is given to you in this case. HCF is equal to 9 and LCM you have to find out. LCM of 306 and 657, that is equal to the product of the two numbers, that is 306 multiplied by 657. So now यहाँ से LCM of 306 and 657 will be equal to 306 into 657 divided by 9. Now 306 divided by 9, if I cancel this with 1 and if I do this over here, so this will be 364. So you have LCM of 306 and 657 will be equal to 34 multiplied by 657. So 657 multiplied by 34, 4 7s are 28, 2 goes up, 4 5s are 20 and 2 22, 2 goes up, 4 6 are 24 and 2 is 26. So 26 then multiplied by 3 7s are 21, 2 goes up, 3 5s are 15 and 2 17, 1 goes up, and 3 into 6 is 18, 1 19. So from here you will get 8 3 3 1 11 1 12 and 1 2. So 2 2 3 3 8. So this is the LCM that we require. So guys, thanks for watching the video. For any doubt regarding this video or any other topics, you can contact us on email or WhatsApp as shown on the screen. Please like, comment and share this video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel Top Flight Classes and click on the bell icon so you do not miss any updates. Happy learning!